Now, after a crushing defeat of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the most populous state of the country, Uttar Pradesh rout seems to have brought the daggers out in the BJP. It's not just the opposition which is quick to target the saffron, the saffron party in the Hindi heartland, but now even people within the party have come out in the open about sabotage by Jayachand's within. Remember, 27 of Bharatiya Janata Party's 49 sitting MPs were handed a defeat in Uttar Pradesh. In total, BJP repeated 54 candidates who contested in 2019, but 31 of them failed to secure a win this time around. In fact, BJP is holding a manthan in Lucknow to discuss internally where the problems lie. In fact, they're also likely to introspect on who from within the party sabotaged the BJP's Uttar Pradesh prospects. The name of the villain will be given to the Uttar Pradesh State Chief Bhupendra Chaudhary. Yesterday, the region of Awadh was discussed, and today the Kanpur-Bundelkhand region will be discussed. A report will be prepared for each of the seats with observations of the local leaders about why the party lost. In fact, one of the incumbents who lost was R.K. Patel in Banda, and today he rules saying, "Gairon ne hame nahi loota, hame to apnon ne loota hai." Listen in.
जो समाज जो हम लोगों के साथ रहने वाले साथी थे, वो मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ ना, कि दूसरे में कहीं थोड़ी दम था। मैं तो बात कर रहा हूँ कि गैरों ने हमें थोड़ी लूटा, हमारे अपने लोगों ने ही इस तरह का काम किया। जो अपने को बताने वाले लोग थे कि हम आपके हैं, हम आपके हैं। अरे एक व्यक्ति थोड़ी होता है, जब धारा बहती है तो उसमें तमाम लोग कूद जाते हैं। कुछ लोग पार्टी के लोग ही थे जो टिकट मांग रहे थे, नहीं मिला, जिनके टिकट विधानसभा में कटे, वो खुलेआम विरोध कर रहे थे, खुलेआम प्रचार कर रहे थे कि भाजपा को नहीं जिताना, भाजपा को नहीं जिताना, भाजपा को हराना है।
It's not just one leader. Let's also tell you about the tussle between two BJP strongmen from the western Uttar Pradesh. In fact, from the West Belt, Sangeet Som and Sanjeev Balyan, and the tussle between them is showing no signs of ending. In the latest, an unsigned and undated press note purportedly written on the letterhead of BJP's Thakur strongman Sangeet Som accuses Jat leader Sanjeev Balyan of indulging in widespread corruption during his 5-year tenure as Union Minister. Some of the allegations are a partnership in an ethanol plant with a former Samajwadi Party leader Gaurav Swarup, who joined the BJP in 2022. This note also goes on to claim that Balyan purchased 600 bighas and 200 bighas of land in Jansat and in Shukratal and in Shukratir. Now Sangeet Som has completely distanced himself from this press note. He has also gone to the police. The note then goes on to allege that Balyan's friend Sanjeev Sehrawat helped Balyan purchase land in Australia. While Sangeet Som has gone to the police, he's distanced himself and has filed a complaint. Here's how Balyan camp is hitting back.
ये सभी आरोप फर्जी हैं और मेरा संजीव बालियान से इस तरह का कोई भी कृत्य ना मैंने किया है, ना मैंने ऐसा सोचा है, तथा ये जो लेटर हेड पर जो आरोप लगाए हैं ये सारे फर्जी हैं, जिससे समाज में मेरी बदनामी हुई है। और मैंने संगीत सोम को 10 करोड़ रुपए का मानहानि का नोटिस भेजा है, जिसका वो 7 दिन में जवाब देंगे, वरना मैं उनके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई करूंगा।
So the threats of Kanuni Karwai are now coming out. Even before elections, the discord between Sangeet Som and Sanjeev Balyan was simmering. After Sanjeev Balyan lost to Samajwadi Party in Muzaffarnagar, he went ahead and blamed Sangeet Som directly for it. He said that his re-election was sabotaged because Sangeet Som supported the Samajwadi Party candidate. He also went on to claim that Rajputs, through their panchayat, spoiled the atmosphere in western Uttar Pradesh. Listen in to what Sanjeev Balyan said earlier.
हाँ, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए थी और आगे भी उम्मीद रखूंगा अपनी पार्टी से कि जो बिल्कुल खुले तौर पर जिन्होंने समाजवादी पार्टी का चुनाव लड़ा है और यहाँ बड़ी पोजीशन लिए हुए हैं और सरकारी सुविधाएं भी ले रहे हैं, तो कृपया करके पार्टी, मेरा निवेदन रहेगा, पार्टी इस पर शायद ध्यान देगी और कार्रवाई नहीं। 2 बार मुजफ्फरनगर का सांसद रहा हूँ, 8.5 साल केंद्रीय मंत्री रहा हूँ। स्तर आप ही जोड़ लें, किसका स्तर कहाँ है।
Meanwhile, Sangeet Som countered Balyan's charges. He said that it's not in his culture to be a Jaychand. Sangeet Som, who's a Thakur leader, went on to claim that Balian lost in Muzaffarnagar because he lost support of the BJP cadre in the state. Here's what Sangeet Som told Times Now earlier this week.
और मैं संजीव बालियान जी का भी सम्मान करता हूं। उन्होंने ऐसा अगर बोला है कि मेरी वजह से हारे तो मेरी समझ में नहीं आता ऐसा क्यों बोला है, क्योंकि मेरी जिम्मेदारी मेरे पार्टी संगठन ने, मेरे पार्टी नेतृत्व ने और खुद संजीव बालियान जी ने केवल सरधना तक मुझे सीमित किया था। और सरधना पार्टी नहीं हारी है, बराबर रही है। वो जहां हारे समीक्षा वहां करनी चाहिए।
And Adib is joining us live. Adib, the infighting is out. There are leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who are targeting each other. They're taking names. The terms like Jaychands are being used. Some are saying कि कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, कि समाजवादी पार्टी को किसने सपोर्ट किया. Some are saying हमको तो अपनों ने ही लूट लिया. Tell us more about this manthan that's going on, and if you have any details of the findings of the manthan.
Well, Sagarika, see, all the leaders, it's now not just Sangeet Som or Sanjeev Balian or R.K. Patel, there are many other leaders like Kaushal Kishore and the former MP Harendra Yadav. They all are saying that BJP should investigate who sabotaged the B party in the state of Uttar Pradesh, where they were aiming for a clean sweep, but they only managed to get around 33 seats. And today, Bhupen Chaudhary, who is the state president of BJP, called an important meeting where all the leaders from the Kanpur and Bundelkhand region were called. Bhupen Chaudhary has asked them to give the Lok Sabha-wise reports of their constituency, what went wrong on the ground, why the policies and law and order situation which BJP boasts about, what was the reality, on-ground reality, why they couldn't reach the people. So Bhupen Chaudhary has said that they will be sending senior leaders and party workers to each and every Lok Sabha constituencies in entire Uttar Pradesh, and they will take the feedback directly from the voters. This is what being told in the meeting that went in BJP headquarters, talking about Sangeet Som and Sanjeev Balian. Both the senior BJP leaders are accusing each other of a kind of a sabotage. They are saying that Sanjeev Balian is saying that he lost due to Sangeet Som, and on the other hand, Sangeet Som is saying that he respects Sanjeev Balian. But a press note, letter went viral from his camp in which he is accusing Sanjeev Balian of a large-scale corruption.
All right. So not just this infighting, Adib. Let's tell our viewers about what else is happening. It's not just the infighting in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Even own allies are taking pot shots. And let's go across to the state of Maharashtra now. Because in Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar's NCP is under fire for sinking the prospects of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But now listen into what Chhagan Bhujan training his guns at the BJP. He's reminding the Bharatiya Janata Party that, look, you also lost in Uttar Pradesh. Can you actually only blame Ajit Pawar for your prospects that unfolded in the state of Uttar Pradesh? Listen in.
कि भाई 48 सीटों में हमको कितनी सीटें दी गई? 4, और 4 में जो है 2 सीट जो है वो तो हमारे पहले में आए 2 सीट, एक रायगढ़, दूसरी बाराबंकी। एक जगह हम जीत गए, एक जगह हम हार गए। अब उससे कैसे आप बोल सकते हैं कि 48 सीटों पर परिणाम हुआ? हमको तो 2 ही सीट मिले सही मायने में लड़ने के लिए। जैसे यूपी, कोई भी बोल नहीं रहा था कि ऐसा यूपी में इतने पीछे बीजेपी आएगी, मगर आ गई। तो उसके कारण जो है ये सिर्फ अजीत पवार गट ये है, ये कहना मैं वाजिब नहीं समझता हूँ।